Hello and welcome to the channel. Want to use two WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram, or other social media accounts on your Tecno Spark 40 or Tecno Spark 40 Pro? In this video, I'll show you how to get the dual app feature and create a second copy of a supported app. Even though this feature isn't built into the phone, this step-by-step guide will show you what to do if the dual app option is missing on your device. By the end of the video, you'll be able to use two different accounts on the same phone without installing any third-party apps.